Here, let's look at another EMD domain that we built on for the garden rubbish collection niche in London. The keyword alone, garden rubbish collectors, is a pretty big keyword. 1,000 plus searches a month in London. Variations goes up as like garden rubbish removal, garden waste clearance, garden waste removal, all those kind of keywords. So Dinesh at ClickDo found this domain, garden rubbish collection, suggested, registered at Sikohost, hosted with Sikohost WordPress hosting, and here it is. The domain is up already and nicely custom built with images perfectly tailored, of course, to support the niche. And the best of all is the content presentation, how the content is put. The domain is already indexed on Google, if I just drop it to you, and already on the third page as well. For the particular, all the pages and everything is in index. You can see all the particular pages is nicely, the very healthy fresh domain, wasn't even expired domain that was found. This keyword was, we were just doing the keyword research using Href and came across this keyword. Dinesh had pointed out to me, and then I'm like, let's go with it. Dinesh and the team with logo I click to actually build this one, and you can see how the content presentation, the about us page, the services which actually goes in relation with garden rubbish collection is very important, because when you're going after a niche, when a site is built, especially to gain the exact match domain SEO advantages, building the site to really fulfill that the niche specific keywords is where the advantages of SEO starts to come into place. Even the about us page, and then things like garden furniture, landscape removal, the soil removal, rubble removal, those are specific keywords which also have keyword search volumes from few hundred to up to 1,000 searches level inside London. This site is specifically going after for searches happening on Google UK for people based in London and using looking for these services providers. So around the garden rubbish removal collectors niche, these rubble removal, soil, all these keywords, yard waste removal, are keywords that people are using. So when you tailor pages with that to support to the root domain, it's supercharged. And the other thing, you can see the content presentation. This is a pinnacle of a website that's perfectly built to go after a specific keyword which is already the exact match keyword is on the domain, and even the blog posts are actually tailored to fulfill that keyword focus. So when you actually thinking about going after an EMD domain with a specific keyword, this is a perfect site that's built on it, studied. URL and the description below. Got rubbish collectors. You can see this keyword.co.uk, focus on the people based in London in the United Kingdom. So this is very specific how this site has actually gone through, and especially at ClickDo or even at Sikohost, when it comes to business website building and support service. This is exactly what we advise customers and clients in. Even when a customer get a website done, this is the benchmark. So study this site, have a look. If you have any questions, drop it below. Very easy to understand. You can go page after page, how understanding how an EMD specific domain for website is built, and the content presentation, why we put the pricing, images, ALT tags, name, the keyword specific. If you study these images, download, I even have a look. Don't copy it, don't try to use it on your website. It's not going to help you unless you change it, and really, but you just can study this site for a perfectly built website, having the form, the right spaces. So most probably this domain of the website actually at Sikohost in Sikohost UK. If you're a UK business customer or a client of ours, or else a business owner who's looking to buy in a website, you can head over to the premium domains, because UK premium domains, and even buy these sort of domains, and even this domain could be mostly for bidding available. So if a person want to buy it or rent it, there are two things what we do with such of a domains, because we're not operating on, of course, on the garden rubbish removal, waste clearance, or various other niches, but we build website as such for people who can buy from us, rent it, or else even actually help them find out the exact match domain based websites, and use them custom build them at developers at Sikohost. We custom build them with exact strategy to go after and rank the fastest as possible on Google. Yesterday, another domain creature and removal. Likewise, these keywords, Dinesh is really good at snatching your domains. And I have a look, play around with Ahrefs, go a little bit of Google, have a look, identify what's the niche specific other competitors are doing, identify, okay, this keyword is good to go, rankable. This is exactly how the site is built. We build these kind of sites in a day or two, and but of course this site is really a page by page custom built it with the perfect content. So you can really see, if you're even a person who want to basically learn about building this kind of a site, don't copy it. It's not going to help you. Copy in the sense like copy pasting. Even if you're going after guard rubbish removal, don't copy exact content and put it. Make sure it's unique. You can use AI tools and stuff like ChatGPT, but you got to prompt it right to get the most unique content written specifically for that niche and unique for that domain, so it stands out and rank the soonest. Because Google, or even being not the best place of much of volume wise, but Google is very keen on having sites that are unique and having a unique content to rank higher and show to their visitors. So this is a well built EMD based, exact match domain based, keyword domain based website that you can see. And this is exactly how we build website for business customers at Sikohost. And if you want more details, you can drop a comment below, reach out to us, get in touch with our team or James or any of at Sikohost, and ask how this kind of website can be built for you to quickly, in less than 48 hours to 72 hours, have that domain up, ready to go, run the ads, get conversion. We've tried and tested how these kind of things works, and this is just one of the domains. So we have many other domains. Like I built junk pickup, have a case study already written which you can read, and Sikohost blog, if we're going. So this is another EMD junk pickup .co.uk, and if you go to Sikohost.blog, you can see how this was actually the approach, the building, the thought process, what I went about doing, and everything. You can understand how that kind of a domain is built. You can read about it. If you want to buy that domain, reach out to us at Sikohost, and get in touch. You can get the domain. Where about that one? Exact by junk picker. So read this one. I will link up below as well, the junkpickup.co.uk, exactly how we went about building this domain, what was the keyword, the focus, and all those things I explained. So these are some of the domains that you can grab as a premium domain at Sikohost. And there are many other domains, premium domains. You can see it's your advantage of expect domain. I'll link up all those things below. And this is a perfect website, guard rubbish collectors. You can see, and if you're interested of utilizing the advantages of exact match domains to really rank faster, and still it works. But of course it depends on how good you build a website, how strategically you place the content, the images, the media, the silo structuring of a website, web pages to support the root domain, all comes into place. Study this site. Have questions, drop a comment below. If you want me to cover any other videos at Sikohost YouTube channel on, let us know, and we will bring you back more of those website as we do case studies, as your case studies, how you can use business business specific domains and hosting and really win in your niche. Thanks for listening, guys. We'll be back in another video.